Have you ever wondered how your phone's camera can spot a face in a picture instantly, even when you're in airplane mode? Or, how a self-driving car makes that split-second life or death decision to hit the brakes? Well, the secret behind all of that is a really cool technology called Edge AI. And today, we're going to break down how it's pulling the incredible power of artificial intelligence out of the cloud and putting it right into the palm of our hand. So let's just start with this question right here because it gets right to the heart of it. Why can't a self-driving car just use the cloud to figure out what to do? I mean, think about it. A deer jumps out onto the road. The car needs to react, like, now. If it has to beam a video up to some server hundreds of miles away, wait for that server to think, and then get the command back, it's game over. That tiny delay, in the tech world they call it latency, is exactly the problem Edge AI was built to solve. All right, so what is this Edge AI we keep talking about? Well, like it says right here, it's all about a simple, but honestly, a revolutionary idea, bringing the brains of the operation right down to the device itself. At its core, the idea is really straightforward. Edge AI just means that instead of your device sending all its data off to a massive, distant server to be analyzed, the AI program itself runs directly on the device. It happens right there on the spot. So when you ask your phone a question, it doesn't always have to go on a long trip to the cloud and back for an answer. The phone itself can figure out what you mean. That's Edge AI doing its thing. And when we say the edge, what are we even talking about? It sounds kind of futuristic, right? But it's not. The edge is just the stuff we use every single day. It's your smartphone, your tablet, those smart cameras and sensors in your home, drones, robots, your fitness tracker, even your car. All these things are the edge. It's simply where the data gets created in the first place. So, why is this such a big deal? Why is running AI right on the device a total game changer? Well, it turns out there are 4 huge benefits, 4 big wins that come from this approach. Let's jump in. The first huge win is just pure speed. By processing data right where it's collected, you get an answer instantly. That's what we mean by low latency. There's no delay waiting for that round trip to the cloud. And this is absolutely essential for our self-driving car example, right? It needs to react in real time, and there's just no time to waste. The second advantage is massive, and it's one we all care about: privacy. With Edge AI, your personal data, like your voice recordings or maybe sensitive health data from your watch, it can be processed without ever leaving your device. Think about that. It's not being uploaded to some server somewhere, which means the risk of that data being compromised is way, way lower. Your data stays with you. Number 3 is all about being smart and efficient. Trying to send huge streams of raw data to the cloud 24/7, like from a security camera, eats up a ton of internet bandwidth, and that can get really expensive. Edge AI is just smarter about it. The device analyzes the data locally and only sends the important stuff up to the cloud, like an alert that it spotted a person, not hours of empty footage. It saves a ton of data and, ultimately, money. And the fourth and final win here is resilience. What happens when your internet goes out or you're in an area with a terrible connection? Well, a device that totally depends on the cloud just stops working. It becomes a paperweight. But a device running Edge AI, it can keep on trucking, making smart decisions all on its own, even when it's completely offline. It's self-sufficient. Now, this isn't just theory or something coming in the distant future. Edge AI is already here, working behind the scenes all around us. So let's take a look at where you can actually find this tech making a real difference in our day-to-day lives. I mean, just look at this list. The applications are everywhere. That voice assistant on your smartphone that works even when you don't have a signal, that's Edge AI. And check out healthcare, wearables that can detect an irregular heartbeat or using that super low latency and high privacy we just talked about. Even in factories, sensors on machines can predict a failure before it happens. It's an incredibly versatile technology. Okay, so to get an even sharper picture of what makes Edge AI so special, let's put it right up against its counterpart, Cloud AI. Let's do a little head-to-head comparison. So first, just a quick look at the process. It's actually a really simple and clean loop. You see it here. Step 1. Data gets captured by a camera or a sensor. Step 2. The device itself cleans it up a bit. Step 3. A small, efficient AI model on the device makes a decision or an inference. And finally, Step 4. An action is taken or an insight is created, right there on the spot. It all happens in a flash. And this slide really puts it all into perspective. You can see the trade-offs clearly. On the left, Edge AI gives you that incredible speed and rock-solid privacy, but it is limited by the computing power of the actual device. On the right, Cloud AI has practically infinite power, but you pay for it with higher latency, a total dependence on connectivity, and bigger privacy questions. So it's not that one is better, they're just different tools for different jobs. All right, we have covered a lot of ground. So what's the one big idea you should walk away with? Let's boil this whole thing down to its essence. This really says it all, doesn't it? Edge AI is all about putting the intelligence, the actual brain power, right at the source, right where the data is born. And when you do that, you unlock this amazing potential for intelligence that is real-time, private, and super efficient. In a nutshell, that is the Edge AI revolution.